How has the execution of the Shia cleric affected tensions between Iran and Saudi Arabia?
Well, it heightened the tensions because there was a great deal of symbolism attached with this execution. And Iran reacted to this as a provocation. And then what happened in Iran in the form of an attack on the Saudi embassy was viewed as a provocation in Saudi Arabia. And so given the fact that each country has a great deal of level of distrust in the actions of the other country, an event like this quickly played into that rivalry.
What are the greater implications of the Iranian nuclear deal in Middle Eastern policy?
Well, it largely creates a relationship between Iran and the United States, which would make it much easier for Iran to play a role in regional affairs, for instance, in resolution of the conflict in Syria or in Yemen. And therefore the nuclear deal serves as a platform for Iran to also extend the diplomatic engagement it had with the U.S. to deal with regional issues.
What role does sectarianism play in the conflict in Syria?
It plays a very important role because it was mobilized by the Assad government early on to create a base of support for his government and define the opposition in sectarian terms. But then when other governments in the region got involved in Syria, they naturally gravitated towards the sect that was closest to them. So Iran backed Alawites and Shias, and that defined a Sunni opposition to the Assad regime, which was religiously affiliated with Turkey and Saudi Arabia. And the conflict heightened sectarian tensions, and that in turn defined the regional rivalry, which in turn also used sectarianism in order to advance its position on the ground.